So this is Old Smoky train ride up at knoebels. $3 per person in tickets. Obviously no food, drinks on the ride. And it is a steam engine. They use coal and fire. And I thought we were about to take off. You two behave back there. Are you guys buckled in?
You gotta do it.
Here we go. Blade, stop playing. I thought we were going. What the heck's taking so long? He's probably got to get more coal. Build up steam. Oh, here we go. Oh, there's the water line. So you gotta fill her up with water. Oh snap, we're going over the bridge. Got a little waterfall.
We derail.
Oh, stay in. Good Lord. That's why they tell you to stay in, because you come up half an inch from a tree. 20 miles an hour. I don't think we're doing that.
I don't know. I feel like we're going to derail this.
There's some kiddie rides. Fish pond. Everybody's a winner. I think we done lost some steam. There's the motorboats. We always get turned around in them dumb old boats. There's a kiddie coaster. Pretty good for kids. There's the motorboats again. Oh, the sun's terrible. Oh, we're going right over top of the motorboats. And this is the Old Smoky train at knoebels, $3 a person. That's the old slide. They closed that down because somebody got hurt on it. Back over the water.
Thought that derailment came back on track.
We're not derailing. Oh no, our river dried up.
Hey look, there's a black swallow.
It's a little pond. A little makeshift pond from the rain.
Yeah,
Look, there's
big-
another black squirrel. Look at the squirrel. There's a couple of them. I'm over here about to take my arm off on a tree. It's a nice little train ride. The weight's a little crazy for what it is, but
It does 150 mile an hour rate.
yeah. But that's the Old Smoky train ride at Knoebels Amusement Park in Elysburg, PA. $3 a person. It's a nice little ride.